Throughout history, women in India have been the unsung heroes, playing pivotal roles in progress and revolutions. In every sphere, be it education, science, or politics, women have carved their path, breaking barriers and shattering stereotypes. At Konkan Railway, this legacy continues. Women from various departments contribute significantly to our progress. Women at Konkan Railway adorn diverse roles, showcasing their dedication and versatility. From facilitating seamless ticketing processes to delivering impeccable service with a warm smile. From maintenance to cleanliness, providing unwavering security and safety to our passengers. Three cheers to the women power driving Konkan Railway forward. This Women's Day, let's acknowledge and appreciate the dedication and resilience of our women colleagues at Konkan Railway. Happy Women's Day from all of us at Konkan Railway. Join us in celebrating Women's Day. Konkan Railway, we serve.